Imagine waking up one morning, you grab your phone, check your bank account, and suddenly there's thousands of dollars sitting there. No job, no boss, no struggle, yet you're making money. Sounds crazy, right? But wait, this is not a dream. This is a reality for a few people who know the secret. A secret the rich don't want you to know. But today, I'm going to reveal it. What if I told you this has nothing to do with a 9-to-5 job? No scams, no lottery, but something that only a handful of people understand. The rich have been using this trick for years, and if the world finds out, their entire system collapses. But today, you're about to learn something that can change your life forever. Making money is not about working harder. It's about working smarter. The rich don't work for money. They make money work for them. What if I told you that with just a small investment, you could turn it into a fortune? Sounds crazy. It's not. This is the same strategy the world's wealthiest people use. And in the next few minutes, I will break it down for you. Step by step, the middle class saves money. The rich multiply it. How? By understanding one simple rule. Investments. But here's the thing, most people think investments are risky, and that's exactly what the system wants you to believe. But the truth is, if you follow the right steps, even a small investment can turn into millions. Think about this. Why do rich people keep getting richer? Because they don't rely on a single source of income. They create multiple streams: stocks, real estate, digital assets, businesses, and each one keeps making money, even while they sleep. And the best part, you don't need to be a millionaire to start. You just need the right knowledge. Now, let me show you something mind-blowing. If you invest just $10 a day at a 10% return, in 30 years, you won't just have a few thousand, you'll have over $500,000. That's the power of compound growth. And the sooner you start, the bigger your fortune becomes. Here's a brutal truth. If you're only working for money, you will never be truly free, because the system is designed to keep you working. But the rich, they escape this trap by using money to buy freedom. And today, you have the choice. Will you keep working? Or will you start making your money work for you? The secret is out. Now, what will you do with it? Will you ignore it, or will you take action? If you're serious about changing your life, watch this video till the end, because in the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to get started. But wait, have you ever wondered why most people never get rich? They work hard, they dream big, yet they remain stuck. Sounds unfair, right? Here's the secret. The system is designed to keep you poor. Think about it. Schools never teach you about money. Instead, they teach you how to be a good employee. Now, let me ask you this: who benefits the most if you never learn how to be rich? The rich people, because when you work for them, they get richer while you stay exactly where you are. Crazy, right? But this is just the beginning. So, how do the rich escape this trap? They follow 3 hidden rules that 99% of people don't even know. Rule number 1, money is not made by working hard. Sounds shocking, but it's true. Hard work alone will never make you rich. Instead, you must learn how to make money work for you. Rule number 2, your network is your net worth. Look around you. If you only surround yourself with broke and negative people, guess what? You'll stay broke. The rich understand that who you know is more important than what you know. Rule number 3, the biggest risk is not taking any risk. Most people fear failure, but the rich embrace it. They take calculated risks, invest in opportunities, and build multiple sources of income. Sounds simple. That's because it is. But here's the thing, 99% of people will never follow these rules. Will you? Let's take a real example. Ever heard of Elon Musk? Most people think he got lucky, but the truth? He risked everything to build his empire. He once said, if something is important enough, you should try, even if the probable outcome is failure. Or take Warren Buffett, one of the richest men in the world. He started investing when he was just 11 years old. But here's the crazy part, 99% of his wealth came after the age of 50. The lesson: wealth is built with patience, smart decisions, and long-term vision. But here's the problem. Most people give up before they even start. Now, Let me ask you one final question. What if I told you that becoming rich is not about money at all? It's about mindset. The way you think, the way you make decisions, and the way you take action, that's what separates the rich from the poor. But here's the catch. Only 1% of people will actually take action after watching this video. Will you be one of them? Or will you just scroll to the next video like everyone else? The choice is yours.
So, what will you do now? Will you take control of your financial future? Or will you just keep scrolling, waiting for one day that never comes? Because let me tell you something, that the rich don't wait. They take action.